In this video, I'll show you how to use MiniMax Text-to-Speech. First, open your web browser, go to the MiniMax website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the text-to-speech tool from the dashboard. Next, type or paste the text you want to convert into speech. Make sure your text is complete and formatted the way you want it to be read. Now, choose a voice from the available options. Depending on your account, you may also be able to adjust settings such as the language, speaking speed, pitch, or emotion to match the style you're looking for. After that, click the Generate button and wait a few moments while MiniMax converts your text into audio. Once the audio is ready, play it back to make sure it sounds the way you want. Finally, if you're satisfied with the result, click the Download button to save the audio file to your device. You can use it for videos, presentations, podcasts, or any other project that needs AI-generated narration. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use MiniMax Text-to-Speech. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.